Couponing 101. What are and understanding the anatomy of coupons? Objectives. What are coupons? The anatomy of a coupon, basic parts of a coupon, and next lesson. What are coupons? Coupons are a voucher entitling the holder to a discount off a particular product. There are two types of coupons: manufacturer and store coupons, sometimes referred to as competitor coupon. We will discuss more in lesson 4. Anatomy of a coupon. You have 1, the type of coupon it is; 2, the expiration date; 3, coupon value; 4, product picture; 5, product purchase requirement wording; exclusions; 7, usage limits; 8, remittance instructions for store use only; and 9, barcode. Let's dissect this coupon and talk more about the parts of a coupon to be aware of. Type of coupon, which is listed at the top. Sometimes it can say manufacturer or store coupon. We will discuss this more in lesson 4. As far as your expiration date, this lets you know how much time you have to use this particular coupon. The coupon expires at 11:59 p.m. on the expiration date. So say for instance here, this coupon says June 30th, 2014. Even though we know that coupon has long been expired, but you would have had to use that coupon on or before June 30th of 2014. Do not cut your expiration dates off your coupons. Coupon value, which is here. This one states 50 cents off. This is the amount which is stated on the coupon to be deducted from your total transaction at the end of your purchase. Product picture. Sometimes the picture can be misleading, but the picture is generally used as a tool to show you what product to buy, such as more expensive product in their brand. In order to keep from buying that expensive product, you would look for the product purchase requirement wording, which is here. It says 1 Cascade product. This tells you this is one of the key sections to pay attention to. The wording will tell you how many of the items you can purchase in order to get the discount. So on this one, it stated 1. So you would get 1 Cascade. Exclusions. Pay attention to your exclusions. It's another important part of reading the coupon. This is where you will find out which size or product is excluded, meaning it doesn't qualify to receive the discount. So read your exclusions very, very careful, okay? This one said excludes trial/travel size, okay? Usage limits. This has the potential of being abused in the couponing world, and it may be due to the fact that most consumers are not reading the fine print. Please pay attention to this part. It is the number of times you may use a coupon per transaction, per visit, per household, or per purchase. So in red, I have limit 1 coupon per whatever those terms say. So in this particular P&G coupon, it says limit 1 coupon per purchase. Keep reading of the products and qualities stated. Limit of 4 like coupons per household per day. So that means you can, if you have 4 coupons, you can get 4 products and give the cashier 4 coupons. Okay? Make sure you pay close attention to this. Also, your remittance instructions is for store use only. So this does not apply to the couponer. This applies to the store. Basically, this is give the store instructions on where to mail their coupons in order to get their pay for the coupon. Barcode, another potential. If you cut your barcodes off, it would not scan. Barcodes are intended to make your checking out quicker, so you just scan it and go. But if you happen to make a mistake and cut that coupon, that means either the cashier, if you're at a self-checkout, the cashier will have to come and help you manually take off that discount. But they try not to want to take coupons that the barcode has been cut off of, so please do not cut your barcode, okay? In our next lesson, lesson 4, we'll be talking more about manufacturer versus store coupons. A little detail here. See how it's stated on this coupon. This is a manufacturer coupon entitling you to $1 off of any canned 16-ounce dressing. Over here, This is a store coupon. This coupon can only be used at Dollar Tree and on this particular Sunday, where you come in and get 10% off your entire purchase of $10 or more. But we will discuss this more in depth in lesson 4. Any questions? If you happen to do have questions, please feel free to contact me via email, christine.pugh@ucf.edu, or via phone 407-823-5841. And thank you.